Today we are diving into some of the most interesting animal moments ever caught on camera. From unexpected encounters to heartwarming interactions, stick around because you never know what amazing behavior nature has in store next. A ship carrying thousands of sheep for the Hajj capsized in the Gulf of Aden, and rescuers jumped in immediately to save the stranded animals. This group of caterpillars moves in tandem when spooked. This young bird is probably wondering why the worm keeps wriggling away from its beak. It never did that when mom was feeding it. Have you guys ever seen an octopus attacking a shark? When you sign up for a mountain coaster, but it turns out the bears signed up too. When monkeys start watching WWE in your neighborhood, it's probably best not to mess with them. This polar bear decided to attack a man, but he managed to jump onto his snowmobile just in time and escape safely. Here's how elephants at a California zoo reacted to a 5-magnitude earthquake. Sensing danger, they immediately huddled together in a protective circle. This dog scared off a leopard by barking at it. The leopard should remember it's still an apex predator. Damn, this monkey definitely has some moves to impress the girls. A goat was left swinging after its horns got snagged on a power line while being transported in an open truck. In Vietnam, dealing with rats, major pests for rice crops, is extremely challenging. Local farmers devised a clever solution. They set up net traps that the rats instinctively flee into when trying to escape. This stray dog casually decided he would take care of me, so it followed him straight to his home. This kid handled the intense situation calmly by stopping the game and locking the leopard inside. These unfortunate birds collided with a landing plane, but the plane managed to land safely. Here's a fast and efficient way to remove watermelon seeds. So chickens on sneakers look like they're late for a very important worm meeting. These guys saved their dog just seconds before a tornado hit in Indiana. This is what it looks like when your lunch casually flies right over your head. These fake alphas were fighting to show who's boss, but the real alpha arrived. It was time for every dog to return to their cages. This Siberian tiger rammed into a gate trying to attack a resident outside his home, but fortunately, the man was lucky enough to escape unharmed. Damn, humans, can't you just take these off by yourselves? Okay, guys, what in the world is that? I guess it looks like a soft-shell turtle. And that's what people call a fish slap. Sometimes, instead of taking action, doing nothing can work just as well. An eagle tried to hunt down this little dog, but somehow the dog managed to escape and ran straight into its home. This doorbell camera captured a Florida gator standing on two legs and knocking on the door. Definitely not something you see every day. Octopuses lack bones, making their bodies incredibly flexible and able to contort into various shapes, allowing them to hide from predators. That day, the raccoon was traumatized and realized it should never mess with cats again. This bird seems to be signaling that the safest place in danger is directly above it. This crazy guy jumped for his shoe, only to have a crocodile come charging at him, but he managed to escape just in time. This octopus better rush a bit faster, because that cat might just eat off those tentacles. Two men in India were riding a bicycle when a venomous snake crossing the road got tangled in their front wheel. Both men managed to escape unharmed. While out biking, a man nearly ran over a rattlesnake crossing the road. He managed to stop and leap away just in time. A jackdaw was seen pulling a kestrel chick out of its nest. A man watching the footage returned it, but the bold jackdaw came back and stole the chick again. After the second rescue, the man decided to build protective measures for the nestlings. The other dog would probably be like, "Come on, dude, I think you got this on your own." This group of eels moves together in a synchronized fashion to protect themselves. For some reason, this hippo has been seen casually strolling across the streets. The monkey smelled something we couldn't, and then did this. So it's kind of hot in here. If you don't mind, let me just adjust this and then get back. These sneaky raccoons stole the cat's food, and the cat was definitely not happy about it. The fish would probably be like, "How is he opening that so easily? I wish I could do that." I guess these guys should take their fight somewhere off the road. Something was slowly tearing apart the outdoor patio furniture, and they discovered it was these little gentlemen. That one elephant is doing all the heavy lifting, while the other one looks completely confused.
Oh my gosh.
This bird found an endless supply of nesting material, but it's actually stuck on her head. A polar bear was spotted in Russia, and unaware of the danger, some dogs tried to chase it away. Sometimes, when it comes to survival, animals push their limits to live another day. This bird decided to tease the cat over and over, but honestly, I admire the patience of this cat. So this is what happens when you forget to feed your dog on time. This beluga will be like, "You came to see me, right? Well, here's the full VIP show." This brave little dog decided to attack the emus but quickly regretted its decision and backed off. The owner of these cows desperately ran to get them off the tracks, but the cows kept standing there. He managed to save them just in time. This clever cat would probably be thinking, "Look at what a good boy you're doing right there." This monkey somehow jumped into the back of a moving pickup truck in search of food. When it realized it couldn't open the containers, it leapt off the moving truck at full speed. These fishermen didn't catch a single fish all day. Then a bear appeared on the opposite shore and quickly showed the men how real fishing is done. A night surveillance camera captured a baby elephant falling into a drinking pond, and other elephants immediately rushed to help the little one. This guy raised his arm to look like a bigger predator, and it actually worked as the bears ran away. A large flock of ducks can easily surround your car. Their instinct to follow each other prevents them from breaking the circle, causing them to walk around in loops for quite a while. This dog didn't waste any time and started running immediately. So this bear discovered a treasure trove of food in a garbage bin and decided it was worth taking home. This guy caught a fish and tossed it into the air to see if the eagle would catch it, and it did flawlessly.
How good is that? It's heavy.
It's getting there.
It is a heavy fish.
It's a big fish.
Oh.
I guess this eagle mistook the golf ball for an egg and tried to carry it back to its nest to hatch it. A green snake covered in fur was found in Thailand, and scientists are researching to identify this unusual creature. Don't click away just yet. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And wait, there are more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one you like and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.